Hey, it's Mike Walpert. I'm talking about 10 surprising benefits that people get when they talk about their business on video. And number 3 is I think, a huge one. The weight is lifted, right? That sense of impending doom people come in with, I got to do video. I know I got to do video. We all know this. Got to get around to it. Got to get around to it. So it's a negative thing, right? But once people get in and start really sharing their expertise, talking about their business on video, they start to have some fun. And when they're done, all of a sudden you walk out in this feeling of, Once you get over that first hurdle with video, once you knock it out of the park a couple times, the process becomes super easy, super fun. There's no more weight attached to it. There's no more downside. And people feel this great sense of relief. Checking the box. I did video. That equals, hey, hang on a second, I got an idea for another one. This feels good. I can do this. Ooh, what if I shared that? That release of weight is a pretty surprising benefit to talking about your business on video. What have you noticed when you do that? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.